Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. Great shave for you today. We are using Ariana and Evan's Cherry Pie. You know, she's my cherry pie. Cool drinking woman, such a... Anyways, yeah. There we go. This is what it looks like. We've scooped out of it one time. And as for the scent, it really just kind of smells like a cherry lollipop or sucker or whatever you want to call it. So, yeah. Definitely artificial candy cherry scent. That's what I get from it. So we are using the Amber Aerolite from PAA. Nice little brush. Inexpensive, synthetic. And we're going to paint it on, guys. Paint it on. Had a good day at work today. A little on the creamy side after you lather it up. I wonder if there's vanilla in this. If I can find scent notes, I'll put them up now. Nice. Really good feeling. Nice, dense, thick lather. I enjoy that. This was a gift from Harry Wong, a Vali DE razor from Sweden. And we're going to give it a go. We are using, I guess they're Astra Greens. Get a couple of uses on this blade and we'll toss it. As I've mentioned before, we are going through all my spare blades. Can't tell you how many days. It's been a growth. I think my last shave was Saturday. This is Monday. Or is it Friday? Last shave was Friday. Tend to wish I was shaving every day, but other things going on and I just don't take that time to shave. I could daily shave. It wouldn't take any time. Y'all saw that palm olive. Back in the day, I would knock out a quick shave in the morning with that. Probably less than 5 minutes to lather. Shave and rinse. This Valley is kind of like an Edwin Jagger head. Very mild, but very efficient. Efficient enough for my needs. So we're going to dip a little in and add a little bit more water to it just because it's been sitting. Ah, cream all on the outside. Y'all know I can't stand shaving cream all over my stuff, like handles and stuff. So we mixed up some water in there. We'll paint it back on. Really nice scent. I don't have the splash. Pete did send me this. Full disclosure, a while back. And I don't know that I'd want the splash. I always say I'm not a big gourmand guy, but there are some designer fragrances that I really enjoy that technically fall in the gourmand classification. This isn't for me to like want to have a matching splash. And I am using a splash from another brand. Really enjoy that splash. But when I purchased the set, Jason told me the soap was in really bad shape and he didn't want to send it out in that condition. It was the last one. When I say Jason, I mean Jason from the razor company. And he sent me the splash for free. And just didn't send the soap. So it's one of the splashes I try to use when I don't have matching soaps or matching splash for the soap I'm using. It's a nice scent. Talbot Maol. There you go. We're gonna say that's good enough. Lovely little shave. Y'all know the drill. We're gonna rinse up. We'll be right back. All right, everybody, and we are back. We rinsed up. We busted out the alum block. I'm not gonna link alum. Pretty much this is what my advice on alum. If you want an alum block, what you need to do is order it on Amazon with free shipping. Throw it onto your TRC order where you're already gonna get free shipping if you spend so much. Don't go out and buy it from pretty much make it an add-on so you don't have to pay for shipping. Go to, as I said, go to Amazon. Do what you gotta do. I'm not gonna link it below because alum's alum, doesn't matter the brand for the most part. So we're gonna use Maol Grooming. Maol, whatever you may say. Wild Flowers, we gave it a good shake. Liberal amount, kind of pinkish orange. Oh yeah. There is alcohol in this splash, but you barely, honestly, I didn't even feel it just then. So generally you have to have a bad shave to really feel the alcohol in this splash. All right, so we're gonna review Cherry Pie, A&E Evans, and K2e. Great soap. Amber Aerolite from PAA. There will be a link if it's in stock, and it will be an affiliate. We did say Maol. We'll look at it again. Maol Grooming Wild Flowers. And the Vali DE. I really do enjoy this. It doesn't have knurling or anything, but it really does the job. And I wanted to bust it out. Hadn't used it in a while. Saw it, was thinking of people I know in Sweden, like Maddie and Johan and stuff. So I was like, you know what? We just gonna bust this puppy out, and this is what we're gonna use until the blade's gone. So all right, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the shave, enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I will catch you guys later this week.